Hi everyone, I have to be honest with you. I don't speak English yet, but I really want to learn this language. So, right now, I'm just reading this text from paper. I want to share everything I know about money, investing, and financial freedom. I'll show my face only when I can speak English fluently. I will definitely tell you my name a little later. I really need your support. Please like and subscribe. And if I mispronounce some words, please correct me in the comments. I'll read everything and learn from it. Why am I doing this? Because I have two big goals: to learn English and to share powerful lessons about money and financial freedom. Today's idea comes from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. There's one simple idea that completely changes how you think about money. The poor and the middle class work for money, the rich make money work for them. Think about money for a second. Most people spend their whole lives working hard to earn money, while the rich spend their time learning how to make money work for them. The difference is in how they use their income. Poor people buy liabilities, things that take money out of their pocket. Rich people buy assets, things that put money into their pocket. Here are a few examples. A new car that loses value every year, liability. An online business that earns while you sleep, asset. Expensive clothes, liability. Stocks, rental property, or a side hustle, asset. Financial freedom doesn't start with more income, it starts with a different mindset. Learn to ask yourself one simple question before every purchase: will this make me money or take my money? That's where wealth begins, with awareness. Thanks for watching. Please support this channel with a like and subscribe. And if my pronunciation isn't perfect, feel free to correct me in the comments. See you in the next video.